Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add text-to-speech in TikTok videos. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Now let's get started. Tap open your TikTok application and sign into your account if necessary. Once you're signed in, from your home screen, simply record your video. Tap on the plus button at the bottom of the screen. This will take you to your camera. Now, you can either take a video right now by pressing on this red circle at the bottom, or you can simply upload an existing video from your library. Tap on upload in order to select a video from your library. Once you select a video, tap on select at the bottom left. Now, tap next at the bottom right. Once you're sure you'd like to use the video, tap next at the upper right corner. And now, this is your video preview. In order to add text-to-speech, tap on the text icon at the bottom. Type in your text on the next page. You can choose the font style from the options below your video preview. After you're done typing in, select the color for your font. You can choose between multitudes of colors displayed on the screen. Once you find the one that you like, tap on done at the upper right. Now, tap on the text in order to add text-to-speech. You'll be able to see a pop-up at the top. Select text-to-speech option, wait for a few seconds, and once you select text-to-speech, your text will be converted into a voice. Now you can simply go ahead and post your content by tapping on the next button at the bottom right. That is how you can easily add text-to-speech in TikTok. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll see you soon with more tutorial episodes. Thank you for watching.